I'm going to show you how to fix this 2024 Samsung OLED TV that won't turn on. This model suffers from a defective power supply, and I'll show you a simple test you can do to confirm the fault. First, let's remove the back cover. This TV doesn't use screws, so we need to properly disengage the plastic clips to remove the cover. I'm using a flathead screwdriver. I'm inserting the screwdriver right here where there's an arrow, pushing the cover away, and I'm going to twist the screwdriver to push the cover away from the screen, and then it's going to unclip. And now we can gently wiggle the cover away. We'll repeat the same process on the bottom left side. Now for our simple test. I have set my multimeter to continuity mode, so when we do have continuity, we have a beep. A good fuse, is supposed to have continuity and beep. I have no beep. Let's check this fuse. We have continuity, we have a good fuse. So that confirms this fuse is defective. Now that we have confirmed that the power supply is defective, I can offer you two options. Number one would be to send in your defective power supply for us to fix. This option is going to be a little cheaper, but a little slower. Or you can purchase one of our pre-refurbished units, which will be a little bit more expensive, but much faster. Either option does come with our upgraded components. Okay, let's replace the power supply. We'll start by removing our connectors. And we're simply pinching this clip here. Same with this one, we have a little clip. We're pinching it to remove it. Remove our screw. And we're going to lift the power supply board over here as we push it this way. And now it should lift right off. We're going to install our replacement in the exact same way. Line it up on the clips. Slide it this way. We're going to do a quick double check. All of our clips are locked in. Yes. We'll screw in our screw and reconnect our connectors. Before we install the cover back on, let's do one last test. Make sure our TV turns on. And we can see picture on screen. Place our cover back on the set. And when reinserting the cover on the bottom, we want to make sure that the clips are going in properly. So we don't want this in front of the frame, we want it behind it. Both the links for the repair services and the refurbished units are available in the description down below. Otherwise, if you found the video helpful or useful, leave us a like, subscribe for more content, and thank you for watching.